of polished jade. The red leaves fall upon the mold, the white leaves flutter one by one, down to a blue bowl where the sun, like a great dragon, rides in gold. The white leaves float upon the air, the red leaves flutter rightly down. Some fall upon her yellow gown, and some upon her raven hair. She takes an amber lute and sings, and as she sings, a silver crane begins his scarlet neck to strain, and flap his burnished metal wings. She takes a lute of amber bright, and from the thicket where he lies, her lover with his almond eyes watches her movements in delight. And now she gives a cry of fear, and tiny tears begin to start. A thorn has wounded with its dart the pink veined seashell of her ear. And now she laughs a merry note. There has fallen a petal of the rose, just where the yellow satin shows the blue veined flower of her throat, with pale green